Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 073848 1382. Today we have a 2018 PV Hyundai i30 SR Premium. This vehicle sustained damage to the front. This shape runs from the third month 2017 to current. This vehicle is fitted with a G4FJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol turbo, backed by a front-wheel drive 7-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle is fitted with factory 18-inch alloy mag wheels. Left front has a good tyre. We have the left front power door mirror, left-hand front door. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left-hand tailgate garnish. Right-hand tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Factory 18-inch alloy mag wheel, left rear has a good tyre. Factory 18-inch alloy mag wheel, right rear has a good tyre. We have the right rear door, appears to have no damage. Right front door. Factory 18-inch alloy mag wheel, right front has a good tyre. We have the right-hand power door mirror. This vehicle is fitted with factory black leather interior. Has a tidy colour-coded centre console lid, automatic transmission centre console. Factory climate control AC controls. Sat-nav stereo head unit. Interior mirror. Has a tidy left-hand sun visor, a tidy courtesy light with sunglass holder, tidy right-hand sun visor, automatic transmission instrument cluster, also has a tidy black leather steering wheel. We have the power window master switch. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.